Brief, accurate and important news of today's Monday. The work of rebuilding Shahrinau Park in Kabul has started through Mullah Abdul Ghani Brother Akhund, the economic deputy of the PM's office. According to the Office of the Economic Vice President, this park will be reconstructed in an area of 9.9 hectares of land for 1.2 billion Afghanis within 3 years. Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani, acting Minister of Interior Affairs, told in a meeting with the officials, scholars and tribal leaders in Laghman, "There is a great purity in obeying the command of Amir al-Mu'mineen. The roots of our unity are connected with Islam. As we kept our religion and faith together, we will bring the same unity to the nation and we will truly show national unity." Sardar Ahmad Shakib, Afghanistan's ambassador in Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan, met Maulana Fazlur Rahman, the leader of the Jamaat al-Islam party, and expressed his condolences regarding the recent security incident in that country. The officials of the Academy of Science told the nation in the Government Accountability Program. Previous year, this institution printed 33 books and about 200 scientific articles. The restoration work of 6 historical monuments in Ghazni province has started through Maulavi Atikullah Azizi, Minister of Art and Culture of the Ministry of Information and Culture. The reconstruction of these monuments cost nearly 4 million Afghanis. The Ministry of Higher Education says, at the private educational institution, 100 candidates were tested for 60 position of Dawat and Irshad authorities. At the cost of 7 million Afghanis, the construction work of 1 kilometer road is underway in the central district of Baghlan province.